We're going to unbox and install the Cambium Network's e430H wall plate access point. What's in the box? Alright, we have an access point. We're going to need one of those. Next we have a mounting bracket. We need one of those also. We have a short RJ45 cable, and we have a bag of machine screws. That's all we need. Now you might look at this access point and say, well, you know what, that looks like it's installed for a hotel guest room, maybe a dormitory housing, and you would be right. But really it's designed for anywhere that you want a sleek, aesthetically pleasing, wall-mounted access point that hides in plain sight, is tamper-proof, and yet it still has lots of performance. You can even install it on a desktop with the optional desktop adapter. But it's more than just a small access point. In fact, you can really crank up the power on this thing. It has over 25 dBm of total power. That's twice the power of a near competitor and 6 times greater than another competitor. So it's a really high performance access point. With dual radio 11 AC, integrated BLE, multiple Ethernet ports, gigabit Ethernet ports with layer 2 and layer 3 functionality, PoE out, this little network in a box is no weak performer at all. Let's show you how to do the installation. We start with the mounting bracket. Now you can mount this bracket anywhere in the world on any junction box. Just find some screw hole patterns that work and use the machine screws that are included in the box to install the bracket. Next, take the RJ45 cable, connect it to the existing RJ45 that's already in the wall jack, and connect the other side to the Ethernet port, the gigabit Ethernet port on the back of the access point. Now installation is just align the top tabs and rotate it down, snap it in place, drive a set screw in the bottom, and we're done. Installation is that simple. The AP430H can be managed by cnMaestro from the cloud or on premises. So once you've done your installation and it boots up, you can begin managing, configuring, and actually using this little access point in just a few minutes. That's it. We're done. Thank you.